Okay, in this video, let's take a look how you can launch your own community and get all your audience and all your customers in one place and manage them here, share the value, share your resources, share your know-how, and make them more engaged in your offers. You can launch community in Flowlance in the left sidebar here. Then you will go and hit create new community. You will fill up the title, for example, my community. Then you will upload the thumbnail. Then you will upload the cover of your community. Then you will add the brief description for the community, which can have up to 2000 characters. So it can be like quite long, but I will now just fill up the description. And then you will set up the public landing page. This is the page you can send the people when you want to join them to the community. I will show you in a minute. But for example, I will make it like this, because this is the place where you will send the people you want to join to your community. So make it really valuable, really like straightforward, and make clear what is your community is about and what they will get inside. And then you can save it and create a new community, and it will create right here. So you can click it, and this is it. This is your community. You see that the thumbnail looks like this, and there is the like main feed, and you can customize everything here. So first of all, you can go and preview your landing page of the community by clicking on the landing page. And you will see that your landing page is looking like this. There is the cover of the community, there is the name of community, there is the thumbnail, and there is the description of your community. And people can open their community if they are already a member, or they can join if they are a new member. It would look like this. They can log in into your community, or they can register to your community. So they will simply create an account by filling the email, name and address like this. They will hit register, and they can open the community right away. And they will see the content inside the community right here. And if you are admin of the community, you can create new categories. For example, like this, that you will select the title of the category. So it can be like wins or something like this, and you can manage the access for the category. So you can select if only you can post into the category, or if every member can post in that category. So I will let the every member and save it. And you have select your own category. If you want category with the emoji, you can do it simply by adding the emoji like this, and you will name it for example, introduction, and you will see everything here in the left sidebar. Okay, those are the categories. Then you can add all the important links for your community. So for example, you can add your Instagram here, your social media, your YouTube channel, or like any important links you want to have here in your community. For example, some suggestions. So right now I will add it there like Google and save it. And then every member can go and visit the link that you put there. Those are the links. And if you want to invite new members, you can do this. You can do that right here by hitting the invite button, and you will simply write the email and the name and last name of the person who you want to invite. Okay, and if you want to create a content in the community and post a message, you can do that by simply creating the headline of the post and the post itself. So for the post, I will use the description for the community, and you can also send the notifications for all your members. But this is like the limited feature. You can do that, I think, 10 times per month right now. So, and also it's based on your plan. But you can create the post right here. And of course, you want to spam your members all the time, right? So be careful with that. Just use this for like some promotions or like really important post of yours. Okay. Make the post, okay, and it appears in the main community channel like all channels. Then you can upload the resources into your community, like any resource you want. So for example, you can add your resource by filling again the title, add the cover for the resource, brief description. You can make it public or not, it's up to you. And then you will put the content right here. Right now, the thing is that you can put there the links and like redirect on your digital products. For example, if the resources is your paid or free products, you can put here the product, and you can make it as a link right here, and you can redirect on the product really easily. Your members will see it like this. They will click on it, and they can like redirect themselves on the product you want. Right now we are working on the better resources right here, and we will make it, and we will connect it with the digital products and courses. So this will be much better. Probably it already is when you are watching this. Then you can manage all the members right here. You can manage the settings of the community. So you can send daily, weekly, or none notifications. And you can also manage the pricing of the community. I already mentioned it in the walkthrough video of Flowlance. And right now you can set up the community for free for one-time payment and select the price, or really soon, probably if you are watching this right now, it's already enabled. You can select the monthly payment, like the subscription for your community. So that's the settings and like the setting of the community. Okay, and if you want to grow your community, I would suggest to make a valuable content on the social media, probably try some run ads, and in your emails and in your products, mention your community and drive people in here. Because you can post here like daily, weekly, whatever you want, engage your members. They can post also in your channels. They can introduce themselves and share their events or whatever they like. And communities are really, really powerful thing in this world. And basically this is where you own your audience and you can make interaction with it like anytime you want. So launch your community, and I will be happy to see that in Flowlance. See you in the next video.